Meanwhile, Vice President and Presidential Advisor on OFW concerns, Jejomar Binay, says he will personally appeal to Chinese authorities to spare the condemned Filipina. Unless a reprieve is granted, the Filipina will be executed in the next few days. More from Noel Perfecto.
Vice President Jejomar Binay will fly to China tomorrow to make sure that President Benigno Aquino's request for the commutation of a Filipina's death sentence be considered after she was caught and convicted of carrying drugs into China last January 2011. Vice President Binay, who is also presidential advisor for OFW concerns, earlier considered of going to mainland China and hand-carried the letter of the president to the Chinese government and spare the Filipina.
Kailan po yung balak pumunta sa kung sasabihin ni Pangulo pero ang pinaka-last day natin is Monday. Kasi ang execution is Tuesday. And if we have to base it dun sa past experiences, ang execution is sa umaga.
Yes, sir.
So, ano inaasahan?
Sir, ano po sir yung chances sa nakikita ninyo na hindi na po pwedeng ma-extend pa ulit ito katulad ng kay Sally Ordinario?
Mahirap mag-speculate. Well, ako isang taong palaas. So, tingnan natin.
The 35-year-old Filipino drug mule is scheduled to be executed anytime this Sunday or up to July 2nd. So the Vice President is making haste, if only to get the nod of the Chinese authorities and defer the sentence.
Huwag natin tigilan, ipagdasal, no? Pasakali din. Ang Pilipino hanggang sa huling sandali, talagang pagdarasal at aasa na sana huwag namang ma-execute yung ating kababayan.
Newly inducted into office, Senator Nancy Binay expressed her concern for the Filipina's life. And if we, the government, could save her, it would be a great relief for everyone concerned, she said. Senator Binay added that she felt sad about the reported death sentence, but if this could be set aside by China, it would be great.
At the end of the day, kailangan pa rin nating tulungan ang ating kababayan. Lalong-lalo na ito, bibitayin siya, diba? Until, we should exert all effort to save another Filipino.
The Filipina who was caught carrying 6 kilos of heroin in China was with a male companion who was also caught carrying 6.171 kilos of heroin in his luggage. Binay said that in China, possession of 50 grams of drugs found for the death penalty, which is usually carried out through lethal injection. It will be recalled that on March 2011, 3 Filipinos, Ramon Credo, Sally Ordinario Villanueva, and Elizabeth Batain, were executed in China via lethal injection for possession of illegal drugs. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.